eyes. I can feel the water pouring in. Should it been better by now? Is everyone around like this? Yeah. I could be two-faced, I could be hiding, make myself feel like I'm really trying, and I just always end up feeling like shit. I just need somewhere to go, someplace I can show. Forgetting everything, I take the freezing rain and turn it into something comforting. Selling the world some indifferent story. If I drew out a warning, would you follow my mind? Just like the wind, I'm always pushing and pulling. Put this all to bed, we can start again. We can't be who we are if we're always just playing pretend. Making up my mind feels like it's almost impossible this time. And always memorizing lines, doing things that make me feel like I'm alive. I just need somewhere to go, someplace I can show. Forgetting everything, I take the freezing rain and turn it into something comforting. Selling the world some indifferent story. If I drew out a warning, would you follow my mind? Just like the wind, I'm always pushing and pulling. Put this all to bed, we can start again. We can't be who we are if we're always just playing pretend. Selling the world some indifferent story. If I drew out a warning, would you follow my mind? Just like the wind, I'm always pushing and pulling. Put this all to bed, we can start again. We can't be who we are if we're always just playing pretend.
This is the